Hello guys, in this video we're gonna discuss all about the Materialize Carousel. So first of all, I'm gonna use class inside the div tag to display the carousel. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I just use class carousel, and then inside the anchor link you need to use #1, or you can write any name as you want. This is not important, but when you will click the particular image, then the particular image name will appear inside your URL. I'm going to show you in a minute. Once you add the name, then you need to assign the class carousel item, right? And inside there you need to get the image, right? That's it. Save, and we're gonna copy that, paste 2 times, 3 times, right? We need to change the image name. Once you add the classes and then open the browser, you can't see any changes. Why? Because it is JavaScript project, right? So you need to go on below and write the simple Jquery code to display the carousel. I'm going to use document.ready function parentheses curly brackets, and then you need to use the, just a minute, you need to target $dot and particular class name, and also method that called carousel. Save that, and let's see. As you can see guys, those are images, and you are able to change the image, right? And this is a normal carousel, right? Then we're gonna discuss all about the carousel with full width, right? I'm gonna show you in a minute. Okay, one more thing I'm going to show you. I have entered the name on each image in the URL. As you can see, #1. If you click on another image like this one, okay, just a minute, I'm going to show you. I click on this one. Okay, we need to change the names. I do not change the names on there. As you can see, this will be 2, this will be 3. It is not important, but it is useful for you. So let's see on the page. I'm going to click on this one. As you can see, 4. I'm going to click on this one, 3. Click on this one, 2. Click on this one, this will be 1, right? So this is a normal carousel, but we will create a full width carousel. So let me explain you how you can create a full width carousel. So first of all, you need to use same carousel class, but you need to use another class, carousel -slider. Once you add that, then you need to enter the name #1 exclamation sign and image, right? That's it. But one more thing you need to do, you need to use class carousel item, right? And we need to copy 4 times, change the name to 3, 4, and we need to also change the images 4, 3, 2. So let's see. As you can see guys, if you want to display the indicators, right? So you need to use object. For example, I move the particular image with the help of mouse, right? But I want to display on there is icons, that's called indicators. So you can use the simple Jquery code. Inside the parentheses you need to use curly brackets, and then you need to target the indicators colon and use true comma. So let's see. As you can see guys, indicator has been appeared. You are able to change the particular image as you want, right? Then we're gonna discuss all about the content. So I'm gonna comment how And then this is a simple content slider right now, as you can see, but we will assign the classes on there to make a content slider. So I'm going to use Carousel slider, and I want to assign the position of the slider center, and you're going to use same thing on there, #1 exclamatory sign. I'll leave the other thing, but I will use Carousel item, and I will use the class on there green. This is the background color, and text will be white. And inside the button tag, first I'm going to show you, first save that, and let's see, right? This is a normal, right? But you can use another classes on there. I'm going to show you. Carousel. Okay, here is a mistake. First I'm going to show you, right? So this is a button name, a button, sorry for that, it's just a button. I use simple btn class on there, and color will be black, right? But I want to display this one button on the bottom of the Carousel, so I need to use class on there as a Carousel fixed item, and I will use that on the center. So let's see, right? So this is a panel, this is a button, right? So we're gonna copy that and paste to 3. So we just need to change the name, blue, white, amber, something like that. So I think everything is perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay, one more thing we need to do on there. As you can see, we are able to see the indicators on there, right? You need to use same thing on there, but I want to fix the button, right? So what I need to do on there, I will get the CSS style. This is my normal style, and first I think I need to check the style tag is added or not. Yes. Link relation CSS, and this will be style.css, right? And it should be displayed right now, as you can see. So the next thing we're gonna target the what? Carousel. First I'm gonna target this one. Carousel. Inside the Carousel have a button anchor link, right? So first we're gonna target that and use dot and anchor link, right? I'm gonna use margin bottom 50 pixel. I think it should be perfect. No. Carousel slider. I'm gonna target this one. So let's see. Yes, it's work. The button has been appeared, but I'm able to change the Carousel with the help of indicators. As you can see, guys, you can increase or decrease the size of the margin. You can do that, right? I'm gonna use 40. So perfect, right? As you can see, guys, so this is a call Carousel. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna discuss all about the Materialize Collapsible. So first of all, we're gonna discuss all about Collapsible, Expandable Collapsible, and third one we will gonna discuss all about the Pop Out Collapsible, right? So first of all, I write the simple code that's a call. You can also say that the accordion, right? So you need to write the class Collapsible, right? And then you need to assign the collapsible header, right? And inside the I tag, first I'm gonna write the material icons, and I'm gonna use the icon name is keyboard. You can write any name as you want. And the second div I'm gonna write the collapsible body, right? So this is our simple content. Just save that and let's see on the page, as you can see. But the next thing we're gonna use the same thing, copy paste. You can use tactics to change the code, mouse, and this will be what mic, it should be display, yes. Just a minute, I need to check why this content appear on there. This is URL. Okay, I need to close the URL tag there because this is okay. So once you click on that, you can't see the content inside the accordion, right? That I also changed the second and third. So you need to write the Jquery to open or use the function that help us to display the accordion. So you need to write $document.ready function parentheses curly brackets, and inside there you need to use dollar and collapsible. This is a class name which I have used on Arvo, and then you need to target the collapsible function that help us to run the collapsible. You can also say that accordion. Save. Let's see, as you can see guys. But why I'm able to see many other content on there. I just click on particular, then I want to display the particular particular accordion. So I think I need to check that where is problem right now. Collapsible, and this will be collapsible header. Okay, sorry for that guys, I'm going to show you in a minute. I remove this one, right, and I need to use this just a minute, I'm going to show you. So this is out of there, right? You need to target this area, right? So let's see this time. Click on that, as you can see. So I'm gonna change the second, and this will be third, right? The name's mic, and this will be a mouse. So let's see. Okay, mouse and mic, right? So and let's see. When I click on second, this is a first, but inside there I have a content. You're able to see the content inside the accordion. This is a call accordion. You can also say that collapsible, right? Let's talk about the expandable collapsible. So another thing on there, inside there, for example, I want to open the page, then I want to display the particular accordion will open automatically. So you need to use the class inside the li tag where you want to activate the particular accordion. so you need to use active class on the particular cell. Let's see, as you can see, right? So the next thing we're going to discuss all about expandable collapsible. So you need to write the same thing on there, but collapsible, and then you need to write the collapsible expandable, right? Then you can write same thing on there. This is not a light head. Collapsible header, and this will be material icons. And first I'm gonna comment out on above because I just show you step by step. So materialize collapsible header, and then collapsible body, right? So, and inside the icon I'm gonna use font, and I'm gonna paste 2 times, and this will be second, and I'm gonna use that. First I'm gonna check that font is not up here, so I'm gonna use edit, and let's add that, and let's see, yes, and font is up here on there, right? Perfect. So the first, second, third, you can also change the content. This will be third, and this is a second. So let's see. So I'm gonna click on second, but I can't see the another accordion content. Once I click on that, then I click on third one, then the second one will be closed, right? So in case you need to use the Jquery, you can call accordion false, then it should be. So click on that, as you can see both are active. You can read the both text in one time. You can't see the anyone click on the first one, then the next one will be closed, right? But in expandable you are able to see the particular content on there, right? So this is called expandable accordion. Then the third one will be very interesting, is right now I'm going to show you. So the first thing, collapsible, and then I'm going to use pop out, right? Then you can use same thing on there, collapsible header, and this will be icon, collapsible body, right? And this is the first. I'm going to use on there the names of the info, right? So, and this is the second. I'm going to use the help, and what the next, and third one I'm going to use work, right? So this will be third, second. So let's see. So when I click on that, as you can see, this is a call pop out accordion, right? So this video is all about how you can make a collapsible, or you can say that accordion menu, accordion on Materialize CSS. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video we're gonna discuss all about the toast and also tooltips. So those are very simple. You need to use the simple Jquery code to display the tooltips and also toast. right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So this is a normal project files, but I will assign that on the center line, right? The first thing, you need to assign the ID on there, and then for example I'm going to use toast, right? So when you target this one ID on jQuery to display the toast, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, I copy that and go to below, write the script tag, write the document.ready function parentheses curly brackets. Inside there you need to target the ID you have assigned on above, right? So I assigned the ID like this one, so you need to use ID and write the target is click, means when user will click on the button, which button? Toast button, toast ID button, right? Then I want to run the function, and inside the function I'm going to call the toast, right? So how you can call the toast? You need to use m.toast parentheses curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets you need to write the HTML and colon, right? And use single quotation. Inside the single quotation you will write anything else, then the particular text will appear on the page as a toast, right? For example, I'm going to write I am toast, right? So first save that and let's see on the page. I open my browser and click on that. As you can see guys, I am a toast. Click again, I'm a toast, right? So very simple. If you want to increase or decrease the time of the toast, you can do that. So after the curly brackets you need to use comma single quotation. Inside the single quotation you need to write the time period, how many time period it will display on the page. For example, I want to display the 3000 means 3 seconds. Save. As you can see, after completing 3 seconds I'm gonna decrease the size, right? Not I think it you can use 10,000 in 10 seconds. Click on that, right? So you can use different parameters on there, but this time I'm gonna leave that. You can use that, right? Then the next thing we're gonna discuss all about the tooltip, right? So the first thing, you need to write the btn class, then you need to use tooltip class again, and then you need to use data position where you want to display the tooltip, right? So I'm gonna display this one on the bottom. Then you need to use data tooltip, right? And inside there, which text do you want to display on the tooltip? So for example, I'm going to use I am a tooltip, right? First save that, but you need to use a jQuery to run the tooltip. So I go to, this is the jQuery and use terminator. On there I use column.tooltip class and call tooltip function. That's it. It should be displayed. So let's see. As you can see, right? But I think something is wrong on there, so we need to check the classes and also text. So tooltip and data position button data tooltip, right? So I think it should be displayed. Yes, as you can see guys, I hover the mouse and I'm able to see Tooltip has been appeared on there, right? So you can also change the positions. For example, I use this way and I'm gonna use this one will be top and top Tooltip. I'm a top Tooltip and I'm white. You can use it white or left as you want. And what is next? Right, and this will be right. So let's see on the page, top and white, right? So this is a very simple video all about how you can display the dialog box, or you can say that toast, and how you can display the tooltip. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach with you media and slider. So the first thing I'm going to show you, just a minute, first I'm going to save that, and this is a row. Inside the row have two columns, 6 by 6. First I'm going to show you the output. You can't see anything else, but I want to display the image on this area and all this area. Inside the single row I want to display the two images, right? And when you will click on the image, then the image will display in the pop-up box. This is a call media, right? So let me explain you how you can display that. So first of all, you need to include the image. So I'm going to add the image too, right? Then you need to write the class material box, right? First say that and let's see, right? But you need to assign the width on there, right? This is the default, so I'm going to use 100%, right? This is the first row. I'm going to click on that. I can't see the image in the pop-up box. Why? Because we need to use the jQuery inside the project. So I go to below and I use simple script code, alright, jQuery document.ready function parentheses curly brackets, and then inside there you need to target the particular class material box, and you need to target the material box function. Once you do that, then save, and let's see, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how you can display the caption. So I'm gonna add another image, use same class, and then I'm gonna assign the width of this one is 100%, and then I'm gonna display the caption. So I need to use data caption and write the text as you want to display bottom of the image. For example, this is second image. So let's see, as you can see, once you click on that and the caption has been appeared on there, right? So this is called media, or you can say that pop up on the image. Let's talk about the slider, how we can create a slider to move on the right side or left side, right? So first of all, you need to write the class name is slider, then you need to use slides in the UL tag, right? Then you need to get the image, so I'm gonna add the image like 3, right? And then inside the div I'm gonna use caption, and then I'm gonna display the text in the center, so I'm gonna use center align, right? You can also change the color or background color, you can do there, right? Then I'm gonna add another image, img4 and caption left align, right, and where it is this, and this will be img and 45, right, and inside there I'm going to use caption. The image will be displayed on the right side, so save. As you can see, but the image doesn't appear on there, so you need to use the Jquery to run the function and display the slider. So first of all, you need to use dot slider, which class, this one class, right, target this one class and write the dot and call the slide. That's it. Save and open the page. As you can see, guys, and those are indicators. When you click on that, I'm going to click on that. As you can see, text has been appear on the right side, left side, and this is a call center. You can also use the methods inside the slider. So the slider, for example, I want to use height 600. Let's say that, and let's see, right, as you can see, I think it just doesn't work on their height. Okay, here's a mistake. Right, as you can see, guys, so this is the height of the column slider, so I'm gonna decrease the size, right, and also you can increase or decrease the time period and also use transitions. So transition, so I'm gonna use transition 500, so right, and also you can use interval. You can do this. So this is a very simple video all about how you can display the media and slider. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach with you the models. So here is the output, and this is the basic structure of the I'm gonna add the one more thing on there. Just a minute, I'm gonna add the icon links because sometimes we need to add that. So okay, I close this one. Where is model there? Okay, this is the dialog. Just a minute, model, right? So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can display the model, right? Means when you click on the button, then I want to display the model. Inside the model, I want to display the text, and you can display the button etc, right? So here is the anchor link. So I'm going to use href and use hash sign and write any name as you want. But you must be write the hash sign and write the name of the text. You can write any name on there. In my case, I use model 1, right? Then you need to assign the class btn, right? And then you need to target use the model class model trigger. Once you add that, then save that and open the browser. This is a normal, right, button, but you can't see the model. We need to add some more classes, and also we need to use Jquery to display the model, right? So once you add the classes inside the anchor link, then you need to target the particular model which will appear on the screen. So inside the div, first you need to use id and assign the id on above which you have used on there. Copy it and paste there, right? This is the name of the model. then you need to target the class and write the name of the class is model, right? And then I want to display the content, so you need to write the model content on there, right? And this is the last footer, so inside the last footer I'm going to use class model footer, and this will be what I'm gonna use that model action. So first side that, and let's see, you can't see the model right now. You need to add the Jquery code and run the function that will help us to display the model. So I'm going to use document.ready function parentheses curly brackets, and then you need to use dollar model and dot model, right? It should be displayed on the page, right? So just a minute, I'm going to show you, as you can see, right? But this is not appear on the good side. So let's see model action. Last model action. Okay, I'm gonna add another class on there, btn. So let's see this time. Perfect, as you can see. So I'm gonna add another class. When user will click on this one button, I'm gonna change the name of the button is close. When user will click on the button, then I want to close the model, so I'm gonna use model close class on there. So close, right? When you click on outside of the model automatically close now, right? But you want to manage that, you can do that, right? I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I go to my code editor and go to below, and this is a parenthesis. Inside parenthesis you need to write the curly brackets and call this dismissible colon. The default is a true, so you need to write the false, right? Comma. So let's see on this time. When I click outside of there, you can't. Okay, just a minute. I think we need to check the mistake. Open that, close outside of the model. You can't see the model close, but you click on that, the model has been closed now, right? So this is a call model, right? I'm going to show you how you can display the fixed model, right? So I go to above, and this is the same thing we're gonna use on above. I just copy that and paste on there. We just need to change the name of the ID, and so that you need to use model, not model. First I'm going to target the ID model 2, and class will be model fixed, right? Just a minute. This is a normal. I use footer on above. Yes, this is okay. So model fixed, I'm going to use footer also, and this will be model content, and go to below, and this will be model footer, right? And this will be class hash and class href, and this will be class model action model kilos, and I'm going to change that to name kilos model hyphen kilos. So let's see on this time, as you can see, but I will use the btn on there also. So click on that. I'm gonna click on outside of the model, you can't see, right? But you can click on that to close the model, right? So this is a big content inside the fixed model. When you will add some more content, so let's see on this time, as you can see, right? So this is called fixed model, right? Then we're gonna discuss all about the model and the footer model, right? So just a minute, I'm gonna go to a bow and I'm gonna use this same thing on there and just change the model name, write the ID on there, model 3 class btn, not class btn, a model fixed footer, model content, right? And not this one, just a minute guys, I want to display the model on the bottom, right? So I will use model, this will be bottom sheet, right? And the model content, first time, then let's see this time, as you can see, right? So has been appeared, the model has been appeared on top of this. So we're gonna use some classes, model action, model footer, and this will be class btn model action, model kilos, and I'm going to use waves effect, waves value, right? So let's see, click on that, right? But I can't see the value, waves effect. Okay, I'm going to use only value, right? As you can see, so this is a call model. You can use the model inside your website with the help of Materialize CSS. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video we're gonna discuss all about the parallax. Parallax is used to display the image when you scroll the mouse on the page, then the stable image will move on the top and also bottom. I'm going to show you in a minute how you can display the parallax image or parallax on the page. This is a basically effect that are used inside your image. So first I need to use class parallax container, and inside there I need to use parallax, and you need to add the image, right? And then here is a div, just a minute. So here is a div. I'm going to use section white class row container, and then I'm going to use on the header, and also I'm going to use lorem text more than, just a minute, I'm going to use lorem 50, right? So it will display the scroll bar when you open. I'm going to show you in a minute. As you can see, this inside there you will see the image, and this is the content. I also increase the content right now. I copy that and paste on there, right? So it's perfect. As you can see, scroll bar. Then the next thing, I'm gonna add another image. Then you will see the Parallax container. Inside there we need to use the class. The class name is Parallax, and inside there you need to add the image. Right now I'm gonna add the image too, so that you can't see the image and also effect on there. Why? Because we need to use the jQuery to run the function. So I'm going to use document dot ready function parenthesis curly brackets. Inside there you need to use dollar and target the parallax class, and also you need to use dot parallax function that help us to run the parallax. So let's see. Right, as you can see, this is our image. When I hope you understood as well all about that. If you are down the mouse, just a minute, I'm going to show you the difference between that. Inside there I'm going to use 2, right? This will be 2 and this will be 1, right? Save, and I'm going to show you. So this is the first one image, this is content. When you hover, move on the downside and the complete image, not complete image, the view image area has been appeared. When you hover the mouse on the top, then the text has been hidden, as you can see, right? As you can see. So this is the call effect, parallax effect, right? As you can see, when you move on above, then the particular image, text or content has been hidden. When you open that, then the particular image content has been appeared right now. So this is a call parallax. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach with you the site nav. Inside the dashboard you will see the side nav bar. When you will click on the menus, then the side nav bar will appear inside the dashboard of the WordPress or any other system. So I'm going to teach you how you can create a side nav bar. When you will create a dashboard, you can use this way to display the sidebar, right? So let's see. So the sidebar is our, we have made the sidebar, but this time I'm going to show you another way. So first thing is you need to use class side nav and assign the ID, right? Any name as you want. In my case I use slide menu, right? And then inside this one div, this is starting and this is closing, you need to write the class user view -view, right? And inside this div you need to use background class, and inside the image tag you need to get the image from your PC. So I'm going to use the image. This is the second one, anchor link. So I'm going to use href hash. Inside this div image tag I'm going to use class. First I'm going to get the image file, and then I'm going to use class circle, right? And this will be name, so I'm going to use the white text name. Same class, I'm going to use that white text name, and this will be dashboard. So first thing you need to use href and dummy link, right? And inside the I tag you need to target the material icons to display the icon, and write the icon name dashboard, and this will be post. So href hash, and this will be I'm going to use class divider that help us to display the line after the post, right? And what the next, this will be href hash, and class will be subheader, right? And this will be class webs effect, and the final is you need to use data target and assign the ID which you have assigned on above. I'm going to show you this one ID slide menu. You need to copy that and paste on there. Where this one, I'm going to remove this one Jquery code. I'm going to remove this one function because we will use the Jquery function that will help us to display the menu. So I'll leave the other code, right? Then the data target is slide menu. Then you need to write the class on there. The class name is side nav -trigger, right? And inside this one class you need to target material icons. Inside there you need to target the menu icon that help us to display the menu. I'm going to show you. Here's the menu. If you click on that, you can't see the menu, right? You need to target the class inside the Jquery to display this side nav bar, right? So I'm going to call dot side nav and then call again side nav function that will help us to display the side nav. Save and let's see on the page, right? As you can see, but I think something's wrong on image, right? So let's see what is problem on the one image. Okay, just a minute. I'm going to check the user view side nav. Background image 4. Okay, there's a mistake. Image 5.jpg. So let's see this time on the page. As you can see, guys, name, email, dashboard, post. If you want to display the post inside the icon, where is my post? Here. So I'm gonna copy this one line, right? Paste on there and just use post. I think it should be display, not display. I'm gonna use what I will write on there. I'm gonna use post, not there. I'm gonna use read. Why I can't see the icon on there? Edit. I want to display some. Oh yes, as you can see. So this is our icon. You can write any name as you want. In my case, I just use edit to display just the icon, right? So you can use this way to increase the menus, right? For example, I'm gonna this way, and I'm gonna change that to what is the next? Edit and view, and this will be info, right? And inside there I'm going to use info. So let's see. As you can see, but I don't know why I can't see the view. I'm going to use display, not appeared on there. I'm going to use add. I just show you icons, right? So this is a call side nav. You have used the Materialize CSS classes to display the data on the sidebar nav. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach with you Materialize CSS push and pin. So we will use that inside our navigation bar. I'm gonna show you, those are our navigation bars. So we're gonna use that inside our project. So the first thing, you need to assign the class block and write the color name. For example, I'm gonna use blue, and assign the ID. I'm gonna use blue. Inside the nav bar, you need to assign the ID which you have assigned on above, like this one. Then you need to use class Pushpin demo and name, right? Then you need to target data. Okay, sorry for that, I don't need to use that on there because I will target in the data target and the ID name is value. Inside the nav bar you need to use class nav wrapper and color name is light blue. Inside this div I'm going to use container because I want to display the content in the center, and class, this will be a brand logo and href, right? And I'm going to show you the output of this one, brand logo, this one, so right. So those are links, but you will increase, sorry for that, you will decrease the size of the browser, then those links will disappear. So you need to use class inside the UL tag on there. The first class right height on medium and down. So first I'm going to show you, right? As you can see in the top of the preview, you can't see the menus if you decrease the size of the browser, right? If you increase the size of the browser, the content has been appeared right now, right? So let's see. The next thing is I'm gonna assign the ID nav mobile, right? So save that. So the next thing you need to use, I'm going to copy that and paste on there. I'm going to show you, and this will be red link, right? And this will be red, and this will be red. So I'm going to change the colors and also IDs. So let's see. Okay, I think okay. Is a first one red, light red, perfect. As you can see, first value, second one is a red. I'm going to red link and paste on there. This will be third, right? This will be green, so I'm gonna use same thing on the ID, same, and green, everything is green on there. I'm gonna use green, and this will be green, sorry, green, and this will be green. So let's see. So those are navigation bars, right? You can say that menus, right? So when I will use the Jquery code to manage that, or call the Pushpin method to run our project, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first thing, you need to go on your page and write the style tag, because you need to use the style to display the demo, right? First I'm going to use HTML comma body comma dot block, right? Curly brackets. Inside there I'm going to use height 100%. First I'm going to show you save. Let's see. This is the blue, this is the height of the 100, 100 and 100, right? But I will use the Pushpin, then when you will move on the below, then the particular navigation bar, like a red bar or red navigation bar, has been appeared on the top. When you move on the below, then the next one will be appear on the top. This is called Pushpin. I'm going to show you. Once you do that, then you need to use the Jquery to run that. So the first thing, you need to call the Jquery, call the function the target, right, and call Pushpin. But it doesn't work on there because you need to use another thing on the Jquery. right? I'm going to show you. First I'm going to use document.ready function parentheses curly brackets and paste this one function. Then you need to target the next one class is like this one, Pushpin demo. This is my mistake. Pushpin demo. I'm gonna paste on other navigation bars because those are same navigations. So you need to target the push method and call.each. This is a function. I'm going to use function parentheses curly brackets. Inside there I'm going to create a variable wow, and I'm going to target the particular push and pin demo class. This means particular class, and I'm going to target this particular class value will appear inside this method and this variable, right? Then I'm going to target the where target, and on there I'm going to use hash concatenation sign dollar this. Then I'm going to use dot a double t attribute. Which attribute? Data target, right? Then I'm going to use this dot pushpin curly brackets. I'm going to use top colon target dot offset method dot top comma bottom. I'm going to use the target offset method dot top concatenation from dot outer height negative by dollar this dot height. This is a Jquery code that help us to display the display the navigation bar. Let's see. As you can see guys, it's working fine. So this is our value when I go on below, and this is a red bar. When I move on again, then the red bar or red navigation bar has been appeared right now. I'm gonna go on below and the green bar has been appeared this. So this is the call push and pin, right? As you can see, right? If you uncomment that, comment that, and then you will see the result, right? It's also working. Why? Because I have used the same thing on there, right? And if you also comment out that, you will see the difference between usage of this one. As you can see, this is not stable on the top of the browser, but it's move on above. I can't see the particular navigation bar on the top. But when you will use this way, this code, this is the top, this is a stable also, and how about that stable, the next one is also stable, right? So this is a call push and pin. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach with you ScrollSpy. What this means when you click on the particular link, then you will able to see the particular page or particular page content. I'm gonna show you an example. I go to my code editor, I'm in page browser. When you will click on the web design, then you will able to see the particular content, right? If you click on the web development, then you will able to see this one content. If you click on the digital marketing, you will able to see this one content. And another thing on there, if you scroll up or down, then you will able to see the particular page on the particular page link with a border. I'm going to show you. So the step number one, you need to assign the class inside this one div which have a content, you need to use section and use ScrollSpy, right? And also you need to assign the ID that will help us to display the particular content. I'm going to use web hyphen design, right? You can use same thing on the another content like this one. I'm going to use class section ScrollSpy, and inside the ID not there, I'll use ID on there. This will be web hyphen dev, right? So the next one will be this will class ScrollSpy and ID. I also use section on there. ID will be digital, right? Then you need to go on below, and inside the UL and li tag, first I'm going to use the class pinned. This is a normal class that will help us to pin the sidebar links. When you scroll down, then the particular links will appear on the right side. You will able to see, right? And also you need to use section table of contents, right? Then inside the anchor link, you need to use hash and target the particular ID which you have assigned on above. For example, I want to target the web design, so this one I'm going to copy that and paste on below there. When user will click on the web design, who will able to see the web design ID content, you can use same thing on there, hash web hyphen dev, right? And this will be hash digital, right? I think it should be display. I don't need that. So, and we will use script code, and we need to target the class ScrollSpy, and function name is ScrollSpy. So let's see, right? On the right side has a content web designing, web development, digital marketing. When I click on web development, as you can see, and this is a border, right side border has been appeared. If I click on the digital marketing, this is doing, right? So when I'm gonna click on digital, I think something is wrong on digital marketing. I need to check the section ScrollSpy ID digital. What is wrong on there? Just a minute, I need to check the code. Section ScrollSpy, why? Section ScrollSpy web dev, section is ScrollSpy digital, and why? Okay, let's see. I move on top, and the particular web designing, I mean a link has been appeared. I go to below, when you will see this one area, this is the web development, but I don't know why I can't see the web digital marketing content. I think ScrollSpy, everything is perfect, but why I can't see the, okay, I will increase the content, then it should be display. So let's see. Okay, I will increase the content on there. Yes, perfect. As you can see, guys, so this is the digital marketing content. I move on top, and this is a web development, and the right side have a link that appeared in the right side, that's called ScrollSpy, right? I go to above and this is a web design. So I hope you understood as well. This is a very simple and short video all about that. So thank you, have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you Materialize tabs. So the Materialize tabs is a very useful to display the content inside the tabs. I'm gonna show you how you can use that. So the first thing is assign the class inside the UL is tabs, right? And inside the li tag you need to assign the class tab, and I'm gonna create a more than 4 columns inside the single row, right? 4 columns by 3 by 3, right? So you can use same thing, copy and paste on there, paste on there, and paste on there, right? This is very simple. Class tab call s3, sorry, s3, this is my mistake, right? Then the next thing you need to target or assign the ID inside the anchor link. So I'm gonna assign the ID on tab 1 on there. So save, copy it and paste on there. This will be tab 2. This will be tab 3, right? And this will be tab 4, right? Very simple. Then the next thing you need to target the ID which you have assigned on above. Means when user will click on the tab 1, then who will able to see the particular content like this one, which are appeared inside the div. So you need to target the ID on there. So I mean ID is tab 1. When user will click on the tab 1, then who will able to see this one content, right? This one, right? So I'm gonna use same thing, copy and paste on there, and paste on there, paste on there, right? Then the next thing you need to change the ID names like 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Final step, you need to go on below and target the Jquery not that tabs dot and tabs. This is the function, it should be displayed. So save, let's see. So this is the tab 1 data, this is the default active. Just a minute, I'm gonna, when I click on that, tab 2 data, when I click on that, tab 3, when I click on that, tab 4, right? And also another thing is you can also target particular page will be activate. So I think where I will use that, I think the is active. So let's see, not there. Just a minute, I'm going to check that. This will, I will try it. I don't know. Just a minute. Okay, we need to assign a class on the active. So let's see. So the default, the tab 3 has been activated, right? When you will assign the class like active on any anchor link, for example, do you want to display the tab 2, and when user will open your page or open your website, when you will able to see, who will be able to see the particular active class content, right? Then the next thing we're going to target the sweepable tabs. So let's see. So I'm going to use ID and assign the tabs sweep hyphen demo, right? And the class same is tabs. I'm going to use something on there, tab call s3, right? Inside there I'm going to assign the what, ref hash, and write the tab name tab-sweep 1. So I'm gonna copy it, paste there, copy it, paste there, and change the name. Paste there, change the name, and also copy it, paste on there, right? Then you need to target the ID on there, which you assign on above. I'm gonna use tab-sweep 1, copy, paste, and paste. Tab-sweep 3, 2, 3. So let's see. So as you can see, right? So this is the call sweepable. You can also change the background color on there. For example, video text white text, and this will be red, white, and this will be green, white text, right? So let's see. Right, so click on that, so you are able to see the particular. This is a call sweepable, right? So this video is all about tabs, so I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.